AyA is where design meets technology. Our team and advanced software transform inspiration into kitchens built with precision. We invest in advanced manufacturing technology powered by our very own in-house software. Every panel is cut, edged, and drilled with accuracy, seamlessly uniting design and production, delivering quality you can trust. At AyA, our greatest strength is our people. Canadians who bring skill, care, and dedication to every kitchen. From assembly line to our custom shop, each piece reflects expertise, where technology meets craftsmanship at its finest. Every surface is finished with care. Panels and doors move through advanced stain and paint lines, while custom items like range hoods are hand-sanded and hand-sprayed. All AyA products use water-based low VOC finishes. Over 1,000 solar panels help power our facility. And our backfield thrives through a multi-year phytoremediation project with Pete North and U of T. Every kitchen is carefully assembled by our skilled team. Cabinetry built with precision, and every piece is inspected before packaging. Advanced machinery wraps and scans each cabinet ready for delivery. Every kitchen is handled with care, built to arrive perfectly. This is the AyA advantage.